Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the Tradingview data feeds for historical data. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So we're not gonna waste any time at all. Let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is gonna be to access the data feeds feature. Now you can access the data feeds feature by clicking on the data feeds button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Now step 2 is going to be to select the historical data that you need. So just select the historical data you need, including tick data, minute data, or you could just be daily data. Now the step 3 is going to be to use the data feeds to backtest your strategies. So you want to go ahead and use the data feed to backtest your strategy and evaluate their performance. And the fourth and final step will be to export the historical data for further analysis. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview data feeds for historical data. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Like the video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in